Hi, my name is Chris from Harmony Acura, and we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2013 Acura MDX Elite. Under the hood we have a 3.7-liter V6 which produces 300 horsepower. This MDX has had no accidents or damage, is a local BC vehicle, has recently had the timing belt replaced, and comes with a towing package and roof rails. Moving on inside, we've got a beautiful black wood-trimmed interior with leather, power-adjustable front seats, steering wheel mounted phone, audio information, and cruise controls, paddle shifters, a navigation system, backup camera, Acura premium audio system, automatic tri-zone climate control, heated and cooled seats, and a sunroof. Moving to the middle, we've got seating for 3, and these seats fold down for extra storage space. And for the passenger's comfort, there are rear air vents as well as a rear climate control console. And looking up for the rear passenger's entertainment, there is a roof-mounted DVD player. Looking farther back, we've got a third row of seating, and here we have seating for 2, and these seats also fold down for extra storage space. In the very back, we've got a spacious trunk. Here the third row of seats have been folded down. This MDX comes with safety features such as a tire pressure monitoring system, driver's side airbags, dual airbags, side curtain airbags, anti-lock brakes, and vehicle stability assist. Thank you for checking out this video of this pre-owned 2013 Acura MDX Elite. Here at Harmony Acura, we stand behind the vehicles we sell, and we guarantee that you will be satisfied, which is why we offer a 30-day or 2,500-kilometer no-hassle exchange policy for your peace of mind. We have a family-friendly, low-pressure environment, and we don't charge documentation fees or any other hidden charges. Harmony Acura is located at 2552 Enterprise Way in Kelowna, BC. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to leave a comment below, or come on in and see for yourself why we are the dealership with the #1 customer satisfaction in the Okanagan Valley. Thanks for watching.